This 2022 Forest River Sabre 3.6 BHQ is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Ardmore, Tennessee, 38449 and is offered for sale by Bankston Motorhomes of Ardmore. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Forest River is 42 feet 0 inches in length and features a BOGEY IRON interior, sleeps 7, slide-out, and 49 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this fifth wheel features front bedroom, kitchen island, loft, outdoor kitchen, rear living area. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.